Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps on how to turn off safe browsing in Google Chrome. If you've been looking for a way to fully control your browsing experience without the automatic filters that Chrome applies, you're in the right place. Let's get straight into it. The very first step is to open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three vertical dots which represent the menu button. Go ahead and tap on those three dots to expand the menu. From here, you'll need to access the Settings menu. Just scroll down a little until you find the option labeled Settings and tap it. This will open up a new page where all of Chrome's settings are organized into categories. Next, look for the section called Privacy and Security. This is where Chrome stores all the options related to your safety and browsing protection. Tap on Privacy and Security to open up more detailed settings. Within this section, you'll find an option labeled Safe Browsing. This feature is designed by Google to protect you online by warning you about dangerous websites, downloads, and extensions. By default, Chrome usually has this turned on, but if you'd like to disable it completely, you can change that right here. After you tap Safe Browsing, you'll see different levels of protection that can be enabled or disabled. To turn safe browsing off entirely, select the option that says No Protection. This choice means that Chrome will no longer block or warn you about potentially harmful content. Confirm your selection, and that's it. Safe browsing is now turned off. Now, you have complete control over what you choose to access online, without Chrome automatically filtering or restricting any websites. Just keep in mind that by switching off safe browsing, you are taking responsibility for avoiding risky sites and downloads. And that's all there is to it. Those quick steps are all you need to disable safe browsing in Google Chrome.